How's it going, everyone? My name's Tom and welcome back to more Pokemon Moon. If you're wondering why I'm doing so much of it, is to complete it, kinda. And we're not doing a very good job, so let's go. But yeah, we're gonna defeat the trial in this one. Yeah, I'm confident we are. I'm confident we are. I'm very confident. Yeah, it's actually pretty late from when I normally record videos, so yeah. Why do I have Bulbasaur? Jeez, why do I have Bulbasaur up front? That name, Bulbasaur. My god. That is weird. Why are you calling for help? Fight like a man. Get blasted. Get charge beamed. You need help in Jesus. So do you, Rhonda. You need to evolve. Cause I'm not sure how long you're gonna last as a Pichu. Why are you healing? Charge beamed. Nah, get out of here, mate. Nah. Bye. You're dead. Oh no! You don't have friends. Mate, you don't need friends. Oh my god. Oh. Stop it. I want to kill this one. Oh my god. Yes! One shot, man. Just keep rising that special attack. Aqua Ring? Psh. No thanks. Yes! Come on, kill it, please. Huzzah! Chan is level 20. 8 more levels and it evolves. It began to rain. Alright, now I'm pretty sure that if we go to this way, we can get a TM for Bulbasaur. Yes. Scald! That's a good thing. So a good water type move that we can teach to Bubbles. Every time. Yes, Bulbasaur. Get rid of Bubble Beam. Because we don't need it anymore. Learn Scald, alrighty. Now, if we ever run into fighting types, ground or rock types, we're good. Oh, come on! Mate. Oh, speak of the devil. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Bulbasaur! Yeah, the Bulbasaur. Okay, let's continue and get this trial done, and I should probably put Rhonda out front. There we go. Let's go. Oh, hey, fisherman's friend. Is your breath minty fresh? Fisherman Carl. Hey, Carl. Oh my god! It's a Magikarp. Watch me lose to this. Like, watch me. Oh no! Rhonda, why are you so slow? Well, that was fun while it lasted. Bye, Magikarp. Isn't it? And doesn't he have a Gyarados now? Oh, I wanted that level. I wanted that experience. Because I've been 4 times super effective. And I just realized Charge Beam does not have much PP. What? How? How did a Magikarp avoid it? Oh, get static, bro. Yeah, mate. Yeah, bruh. Oh, so close. Fisherman Carl. Okay, we gotta go defeat his Totem Pokemon. Brock, hell, we know what that says. Just let me leave. Let me leave. Let me. Oh, we have arrived. Alright, now I need a... Can I do anything to help? An item held by a Pokemon in the landscape for weak points. Boost the holder's critter. Ooh. What do you... Oh, yep, you hold the Soothe Bell. No, I think we should just go in for it. Okay. I'm nervous. Even if Ronda dies, I have Sushi as a backup. But I want Ronda to win. Okay. Let's head over and beat this fool. Oh, poor Lapras. We're just dragging him or her into this. Look at that majestic beast. Wouldn't that like eat us instead of wanting to battle? What do they think? Like, I have the option to eat them, or I could beat them at a Pokemon battle. Is that how it works? Defense rose. Crap. Alrighty, Rhonda. Get in there, mate. Get in there. I think we should start off with a Charge Beam. No! And watch... And I'm dead. My god! It's impossible to train you. Now we have Sushi. Don't be a Mawolomoa. Okay, it's another Wishy-Washy. Let's go Razor Leaf. Now would be a good to... Oh my god. Oh, the other one did, don't worry. Now would be a good time to have the Gracium Z. Alright, all the Aura are an electric type. That doesn't suck. Come on, mate, come on. Helping hand. Razor Leaf. Oh. That critical though. Oh, great. You have a berry. Well, I'm not, you know, Another strategy for this, if you stall it out, it'll turn back into the small form, the weak one. And then, yeah. I'm no longer grass type, I'm a water type now. Great. Oh my god. Alolan knows heal poles. That's not fair. Bullshit. Oh my god, no. Now next turn it's gonna use heal poles, and that's annoying. Why don't you just die? Oh, look at that. See, look. Now it's a baby. Now let's annihilate him. You could just heal pulsed him, but I guess not. And bye-bye. Level 24. Sushi Ubi. Pluck, yes please. Oh, no, get rid of Peck. Now we have a good flying type move. Bulbasaur level 18. I'm gonna revive Ronda so then she can possibly get a kill on this thing. Okay, it's probably gonna kill me when I switch in, so let's hope it doesn't. That is gonna kill me. Ronda! No! Oh. Okay, well now I'm just gonna switch so then I can get a level off it at least. But jeez, mate. I need you to not suck. Oh, nice try. Oh my god! Oh, this is that frustrating, I swear. Oh my god, stop! Freaking Z-move in this thing, god. I just can't beat it. It's just that annoying. Like, Jesus. It needs Jesus. That's what it needs. Jesus. Oh. That doesn't even do much. I want to annihilate the thing. Victory! Oh my god. Yay! Level 23. Defeated Totem Wishy-Washy. Yeah, we did it! Woo! Please take this. Da, 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 da. We can give it to Bulbasaur. Man, I'm smart. Trial completed. I know what Water Room Z is, Jesus. A fishing rod. Does anyone fish in this generation? Like, not in the game, but like, real life. Does anyone fish? I don't think so. I'm cool with Sushi, because he's already evolved once. I need Ronda to evolve. Soon Mankey will evolve in 8 levels. Chen. And then Bulbasaur will evolve. Now can I fight you? I beat all the trainers on round 5. Bye. Bye. Alright, I got a trainer. Let's go. Fight me. Let's go. Let's go, fool. Amanda. Lillipup Picha. Send out my Ronda, my weak one. That is weak. Okay, let's start with a sweet kiss. Log it wrecked. It'd be great if you eat yourself. Dang it. Yes, Ronda. Yes! I was gonna paralyze it, but that just saved me a turn. Now let's start going for the charge beams. Oh, yes. Come on, hit yourself. Yes! Oh, yeah. Yay, Ronda, you did it. You don't suck. A Growlithe. Bulbasaur! Perfect timing. Good for volunteering. Intimidate. Crap. We can use old Gold Arena. Or you can sleuth my odor. Boom! Bulbasaur's already a beast. Takes after his daddy. It's me, by the way. I'm gonna go put the Watering Z on him. Is that cool? Cool. Boom. Well, I'm going to leave this episode of Pokemon Moon here. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I love you.